This one is the most probably common repair, full stop. That is a repair in drywall. It's one of the most used products around the whole world. And today we have a couple of cutouts, and I'm going to show you the easiest way for these small ones to be done. You just have your cutout. You cut a sheet roughly a little bit bigger than the cutout. Make sure it's all covered. Trace around it. Try not to move it. Definitely don't move it. There we go, we've got it traced out. Now, nearly everyone's got a utility knife, and you can just go like that, do a couple of scores. Oh, like that. Just keep doing that, but we don't need to do that. Got this drywall cutter, adjustable depth blade, depending on the thickness of your drywall, and you don't want it to cut cables that might be hanging on the ceiling above. It also has a vacuum attachment. Now I know there's a nail right here, so we're going to go right through the nail, kind of go around it, but it's okay, they kind of bounce off. I've set it just underneath the thickness, so I will need to run my knife around the perimeter. There we go. That's it. Sheet should go straight in there. Beautiful. Minimal gaps doing it this way as well. I mean, you can measure it and everything like this, but it's quicker this way. Next step is to get timber around the perimeter. This is good. We know we can fix to here. Put a couple of screws in now. Let's get some timber, put it there, put it here. Okay, just got a bit of fence paneling. You can use anything. And the price of timber these days, very, very expensive. It doesn't matter, the weight is being held up already. This is just so things aren't moving and flapping about. Screw that in. You want to pull on it, keep it tight while you're screwing as well. Don't just go one-handed, because it'll push the timber away. There's also some pop screws around, so we're going to be doing some extra screwing and that sort of thing. Perfect. Now it's time already for our sheet to go up. Okay, we've got a light here, so what we'll have to do, we'll measure out. Get our pencil. There. And we just make a little hole for that to fit through. Okay, it doesn't fit, so we'll just cut it in. There we go, we're in. There we go. Patch is done. Now it's ready to tape up. I'll just get this one done now. It's a bit bigger. And you can sit back over here and you can wash it.